So the system that we're talking about here is made by Pulse. It's actually called our Kauai system. It's kind of like the Hawaiian type of feel that you're going to get with the rain head and handheld system. This is a pretty popular option for those individuals that aren't looking to invest, thousands of dollars in the plumbing and the upgrade to get to like the rain heads and things like that require all that additional plumbing, the insulation, the ceiling, and those types of things. So what this kind of offers you is a 24-inch reach out to here. So in a 48-inch shower, it gets you into the center of the space, which is typically where those rain heads are going to be installed anyway. But what's really an added benefit of that is if you didn't want the actual rain head and you wanted more of a shower function, this little handheld here, which is going to mount just like any of the other ones, are going to be a nice alternative to the rain style shower. So if you wanted something a little bit more pressurized, it's going to come out a little better. And as you can see with this quick little tool here, you can actually adjust the height pretty simply just by pushing the button. And as the bottom here, you actually have a dual way valve, which will control the water flow from either the handheld or the shower head up to the rain head function.